Hey YouTube, welcome back to another video. Today I made the best purchase slash investment of my entire life, and that was this. Sorry, this bag is like more destroyed than my future, but the best purchase I've ever made was single-handedly this thing. Wow, my head actually fits in the frame with this over. I mean, it kind of gets cut off. But I got this today, and this is probably single-handedly, as I said before, like the best purchase I've ever made. Let me actually, just scoot my way over here. So, if you didn't know already, I mean, not really already, you can see it right here. I've been looking forward to this since, ages ago. Ever since I was younger, I've always wanted a MacBook. And yes, I've already fulfilled that dream by buying this thing. But I never bought it brand new, which was kind of the dream that I've always imagined, which was buying a brand new Mac. I bought this back in, oh god, let me think. I'm gonna say 2016, 2017, around that time. I think I was in 6th or 7th grade when I bought this. I saved up my money for my birthday, and I think some Christmas money too. And I bought this used off eBay for between I'm gonna say $450, $500. And yes, this thing, if you can't tell, is old. I'm not saying that CDs are old, but I mean, they're kind of getting an age where people don't use them anymore, but I still use CDs. I have a whole bucket thing, storage cubby of CDs, but hey, this one doesn't have a CD thing, but that doesn't matter. Then, see, just look at this. I'm really happy and excited right now. Okay, as I said in my last video, I'm thinking faster than what I can say. I'm just so happy because this is a dream come true to me. I've always wanted a MacBook Pro that's new, not I already have one, but this right here. So obviously you can tell this MacBook is pretty old. It's 10 years old to be exact. It's from 2010. This thing, it's crazy to think how far technology has come from literally this thick thing that's I don't even know, literally thicker than anything I've ever seen. And then to this probably thin little paper-like machinery. So today I decided to make a video on unboxing this machinery that I've always wanted for a really long time. So, shall we get into it? When I bought this used off eBay, it didn't come in this beautiful looking Apple perfection box. No, it just came in one of those basic FedEx cardboard boxes with those bubble things. What are they called? The little foam bubble, keep things safe. Yeah, came with that. Didn't even come with a charger, so I had to buy my own charger, which ended up actually kind of short-circuiting. It was really bad, and then ruined the battery on this. But hey, whatever. So this, I know for sure, comes with a battery, and it was probably a really good deal because on Apple right now you can buy a refurbished one for $2,039, which to taxes it's going to be $2,160 something. But on eBay, on Best Buy, it's only $2,099, and it's brand new, which is only I'm gonna say how much. Wait, let me find the difference first. 40 to 90 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Literally $50 more than what you would get. I don't know. So anyway, let's open this up because I'm honestly excited. I'm thinking like crazy. I can't explain the words that are coming out of my mouth right now. I'm happy. I'm excited. Oof. Okay, let's open this up. Oh my god, this is so cool. I've never opened anything up like this. Oh my god, this is so cool. Plastic. I love plastic. This is my favorite material of all time. I would build a car out of plastic if I could. No, I'm kidding. Okay, whoa, this thing feels so oh my god, this thing's heavy. Jesus. Oh my god. Okay, it's heavy. Okay, you ready for this? Because this smell, because everyone knows the smell of an Apple, brand new Apple product is better than literally anything ever. Well, better than the actual new car smell. And that's the new car smell, you cannot deny. That's one of the best smells ever. But new Apple product, hands down, best smell ever. Literally, if they ever come out with a cologne or body spray with this, I'd use this every day. Or if a perfume or something, if I ever smell a girl that smells like an Apple product, yeah, I'd marry her on the spot. God, I'm weird. Because hands down, best smell ever. Okay, let's do this. Oh my god, this is exciting. This is exciting. Okay. Oh my god, this thing's huge. And it smells really good. And this box is very thick too. Wow. Oh my god, the materials in a box, I've never seen any better material ever. Okay. This is a computer right here. Okay, this thing's big. Okay. Whoa. Oh my gosh, this thing is so thin. Oh my gosh. It's huge, but it's so cool. Like, honestly, like, I'm so happy about this. Here, what else is in here? So we have, clearly we have the charger right here. Pop that out. Nice charger. USB-C. This is designed by Apple in California. The thing, every single... Wait, I hope to God, they have Apple stickers? Please come with Apple stickers. They come with Apple stickers and they match the color of the... This is like a dream come true. Any Apple product that comes with Apple stickers, that's how you know it's a good product. If it doesn't come with Apple stickers, it's not a good product. Oh my god, this is crazy. Oh my gosh, I'm so happy. I'm sorry. Like, honestly, this is amazing. Hey, what else is in here? It tells instructions on how to use a Mac, because some people don't know how to use Macs, like me. I mean, that thing's old, it's ancient, like there's like new technology to things I don't even know. Can I grab this thing, please? I don't know if this is like a pamphlet thing or is it just plastic, but it looks like there's something in there. So I put this stuff right back in here. Okay. Now let's grab out the charger right here. Well, not really the charger, this is like the box. Nice, nice. And that's it. This, oh my god, this is crazy. Like, honestly, this is crazy. Like, I'm so, like, I don't even know how to explain. Like, my emotions are, like, so positive right now. Like, I feel great. And, like, I'm sorry, like, I'm really, really happy right now. Okay. I need to, like, start breathing and everything. Okay, so let me, like, put this out. Put this down. And let's open up the MacBook right now. Okay. Almost like thing I have to be very fragile for. So is it like a, oh, you peel it? Okay, okay. I don't want to drop this. I do not want to drop this. Oh my god. It smells really good. Okay, let's open this up. Oh, I'm like shaking because I want to be like so fragile with it. Okay, let's open this up. Oh, there's like a little tab you pull from it. Oh my gosh, it's turning on. Look at this. This looks sick. Look at this. I'm so happy right now. Here, let me like this right in the frame. Again, like, actually, let me like put this side by side with my current, well, my old laptop. Look at this. Look how the difference in this. And if I open this up, I don't think this is even, this alive? I don't think this is even, I think this is dead. But look at this. It's literally, like, it's so thick compared to this. It's
to use English as the main language, press the return key.
Okay. So yeah, literally, it's so thick compared to this, and like, let me feel this. Okay, I have to be very fragile with this. Okay, this feels really heavy, and this. Okay, I don't want to drop this. Wait, I have to like. Wait, let me pick this up with two hands and then put it on one hand, because that's common sense. I should know that better. And then this, I can pick up with one hand. Okay, this one's a lot heavier than this. I feel like, I don't know, like they kind of feel the same weight, but they're not, if you know what I mean. Like they feel, I gotta be easy on this. Okay, but yeah, they kind of feel the same way. Oh, this is so cool. Okay, so in the meanwhile, I'm going to go set up the whole computer, and then I'll show you after I finish setting it up. Okay, so I just finished setting this up, and oh my god, this is like so cool. Like the setup is like very like precise and like gets everything the way you want it to be, but oh my god, this is like amazing. I put on dark mode because you know me. I don't know people who live on light mode, and if you do live on light mode, how are you, like, are you blind? No offense, but like I'm just saying, like if you have light mode on, like I don't even have that on. Why am I looking at my phone like it's bright? But I don't know, like I don't know how you're gonna be blind if you don't have light mode. Something just message. iCloud storage is full. Can't wait for that notification a lot. So anyway, I've always been into Apple products, and like when this touch bar was introduced back in 2016, it really was big, and I've always wanted it. I know how controversial it is though, how people say they don't like it or anything, but to be honest, I love it. It's a dream come true to have one that has a touch bar. I mean, now all of them come standard with it, but well, except for like the Air and whatever, but who gets the Air, you know? The Pro is where it's at, if you know what I mean. And I know that some of you guys are probably going to be like, hey, like, September's next month, that's like Apple's big year, well, big time of year where they release like the new iPhone, or typically the new MacBooks or iMac or whatever, iPad, Apple Watch. That's like the big time where they release everything. Why wouldn't you buy a new one then and there. And it's the thing is the fact that, is it turning off? Oh yeah, it is. Well, that's cool. How it like dims. My computer didn't do that. But anyway, honestly, it was a decent price. It was on sale, and if I were to wait, then everything's gonna be so like, everything's gonna be more expensive, and it's just like, why waste even more money on like the same thing I'm getting out of this? Maybe just more upgrades or anything different. It just, I really like this, honestly, and I keep saying honestly a lot, like, I'm sorry. But let's not forget what September stands for: spending money, preferably to electronic, multi-billionaire, egotistical nerds. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching this video, especially like watching me like act like a little girl, like my dream coming true. I mean, hey, it's a computer, but like it just means so much to me because I've wanted this for eons by now. Like, it's just, you know, it just means so much to me. I like have no words to say. Like, I just have feeling positive vibes, to be honest. Like, I don't know what to say. But anyway, I hope you guys have a great night, day, dusk, dawn, wherever you are in the world. Stay tuned for more, especially highly better quality edited videos, because I'm going to be using a Mac now to edit this stuff. So yeah, anyway, bye guys. Thank you so much for watching. Peace.